you back on tomorrow, 'cause you forgot yesterday. I gave you my love to borrow, but you just gave it away.